Warm welcome to this afternoon of Forecasting Forum Scandinavia. I am Anette Tånneryd, and I have the great honor of facilitating portions of this afternoon. We have a fantastic network of people from academia research meeting global corporations and the startup fintech or scale-up community. And I appreciate all of you being here. Some of you are here physically in the room, and I urge you to keep the safe distance according to recommendations, as well as I welcome all of you online warmly. We have a Daniel here monitoring your online activity. So any issues or questions, as we're, extremely eager to hear throughout the afternoon, Daniel will monitor and collect and make sure each speaker get those. The agenda is by Professor Nick Kourentzes. We have the CEO and co-founder of Indesio Technologies and head of analytics Skanska. So with that said, I will welcome up on stage the co-founders of Forecasting Forum Scandinavia. That is Professor Nick Kourentzes and the CEO and co-founder of Indesio Technologies, David Fagersand. Warm welcome.
Great. So very nice to have so many here for the first occasion of Forecasting Forum. We are about 100 people joining for this first event, so we're really satisfied with that. My name is David Fagersand, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Indesio. And the thought of these seminars is to bring forth both a practical and academic perspective on forecasting. Yeah. So with me here is Nikos, the co-creator of this forum, and I leave over to you for an intro.
Yeah, thank you. Well, I'm Nikos Kourentzes. I'm a professor of predictive analytics at Hefde University. And as David said, we have this idea that it's better to have an ongoing discussion on how to do this forecasting business, if you wish, between academia and business. And that's our thinking in starting this initiative, which we hope you will find it useful and keep up the discussion.
Great. So a few words about Indesio. Indesio is a web-based platform that automates the statistical coding language R. And in R, professors and PhDs write statistical models for forecasting. Indesio automates these models so they can be used by people that lack statistical background. And this way we bridge the gap that has been existing between academia and professionals. We currently work in many different segments, so from automotive to raw material to construction. And one example is Skanska, and they will talk here later today on how they use Indesio to forecast the apartment prices in the three major Swedish cities of Gothenburg, Stockholm and Malmö, and use this as a foundation for strategic decision-making in the executive management on where to start housing projects. The Indesio platform itself, it contains the leading indicator analysis where you can detect what is driving my sales or market development. And then a library of different econometric models to forecast this development going forward. We also have integrations to millions of leading indicators where you seamlessly can withdraw the indicators that you want to test and see if they drive your data. We also have a small consultancy part where we help customers set up models initially. But before you become a customer of Indesio and subscribe to one of our licenses, you will do a case study. And in this case study, we benchmark your internal forecast towards those generated in Indesio. Typically, we see an improvement of 40 to 60% when benchmarking, so it's a substantial improvement. And as a part and a giveaway for this special occasion, we will give out 3 case studies. We will share the link after the seminar. And in this case study, you will find out what is your leading indicators, and you will also get a deeper look into things like seasonal patterns and policy effects on your markets. So that was a short intro to the Indesio company, and now I will leave over to the first presenter, and that is Nikos, who will present the academic perspective on predictive modeling.
Thanks.
Thank you.